Alrighty, welcome back to another video. Today's video is the first one in a while that is a new mod on the car. Usually you guys have been seeing POV videos, but we just installed a new mod for the rear end of the car. And it's huge transformation for the rear end. This is the one thing the rear end was missing. If you see all the previous videos or check on my Instagram, the rear end was missing one thing, and I'm pretty sure we fixed it with this mod. So the mod that I put on, unfortunately I did not record the process of getting it on. I just wanted to get on ASAP and have a smooth installation process, but we did go with a new spoiler for the car. It is a GT 500 spoiler. So yeah, it was pretty easy install, only took about an hour. The worst part was taking off the prior adhesive for the stock spoiler, but it drilled up right to the factory hole, so it's just good. But here you go. Yep, there it is. It's gloss black. It completed the rear end. You know, the stock base one that I had only was like right here, so it's definitely added some more aggression for the rear end and looks insane. Definitely ties in with the black deck lid, all that black plate. So it ties in for the rear end and it just looks way better. But yeah, like I said, it drilled into the factory holes in the trunk. And there's some 3M tape that we put under each of the things touching the trunk. I would say the fitment for the spoiler is good, except the 3M, it leaves a little bit of a crackle, a little bit of a gap there. Didn't really stick too well, but it's drilled in with the holes and everything like that. But yeah, that's a new spoiler and mod we had for the Mustang. Seeing it from different angles just makes me so glad that I did it. It looks insane. It's more aggressive and everything. So any other mods you guys want me to see done to the car, drop it in the comments. I was thinking next, painting the calipers was the next thing I was gonna do, and I was thinking yellow, but if you guys think different, comment below what color I should do. But I was thinking yellow calipers is the next mod for the car. Alrighty, thank you guys for watching today's video. I know it was a pretty short one, just showing off the new wing, but figured I'd make an upload of it because it does look insane, and it's what the car was truly missing for the rear end. But yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and see you for the next video.